This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Calabasas, California. 1. Hike the picture-perfect trails of Malibu Creek State Park. Spanning over 8,000 acres of rugged mountain terrain, Malibu Creek State Park is a true outdoor paradise that has served as the backdrop for iconic films and TV shows like MASH and Planet of the Apes. You can hike the 2-mile Century Lake Trail to the site of the old MASH set, tackle the rock pool where locals swim and boulder, or explore the undeveloped areas of the Caslow Preserve, Liberty Canyon, and Udell Gorge. According to my experiences, the moderate 3.6-mile round trip to Calabasas Peak offers great views and intriguing rock formations that make every step worthwhile. You can see how beautiful the place is when you crest a hill and find a herd of deer grazing in a wildflower meadow, with the distant Pacific glinting on the horizon. 2. Step back in time at the Leonis Adobe Museum. Built in 1844, the Leonis Adobe is one of the oldest surviving private residences in Los Angeles County, offering a fascinating window into California's early ranching heritage at an important site that is on the National Register of Historic Places. You can explore the Adobe home furnished with period-appropriate decor, walk through the preserved outbuildings, including a barn and blacksmith shop, and meet the live livestock, including horses, longhorn cattle, and chickens, that make the history feel surprisingly tangible. Here is a perfect family-friendly activity that truly brings the past to life. The museum offers guided tours and hosts special events where costume docents demonstrate frontier skills like candle making and blacksmithing. 3. Stroll Old Town Calabasas and visit the Calabasas Creek Park. Old Town Calabasas transports you back to a quieter era with its historic buildings, unique boutiques, cafe sidewalk seating, and the charming Calabasas Creek Park. The city's dedicated park features a restored section of the historic El Camino Real, replicas of Chumash dwellings, and a faithful reconstruction of the 19th century Calabasas jail, all set along the peaceful banks of Calabasas Creek. You can spend a relaxed morning exploring the alleyways, popping into local shops like Shop Amber Interiors for stylish home decor, and then wandering over to the creek to watch ducks paddle beneath the shade of ancient sycamore trees. 4. Indulge in a farm-to-table brunch at Peddler's Fork or the Six. For locavores and foodies, a meal at one of Calabasas' beloved farm-to-table spots is an absolute necessity, and Peddler's Fork is a true local gem where a 10-speed coffee bar and a bike shop share space with a full-service restaurant serving seasonal, ethically sourced fare. You can settle into a cozy booth or their sunny patio, sip a pour-over coffee, and feast on delicious dishes prepared by chefs who work directly with California farms to source the freshest ingredients. This is the kind of place where the menu changes with the seasons, ensuring that every visit offers a new taste of the region. For another excellent option, the Six restaurant offers a creative menu of small plates, wood-fired pizzas, and entrees like slow-roasted chicken pot pie and braised short rib, all served in a rustic chic space with a warm, inviting ambiance. 5. Shop designer and lifestyle brands at the Commons at Calabasas. This sprawling open-air shopping center is the city's premier retail destination, featuring Mediterranean architecture, paved walkways lined with fountains and lush landscaping, and a curated mix of luxury brands, well-known retailers, and local boutiques. You can spend an afternoon browsing everything from high-end clothing at La La Land and accessories at Elise Walker to everyday essentials at Ralph's Grocery and bestsellers at a massive Barnes & Noble, making it a perfect one-stop spot for both serious shoppers and casual strollers. The Commons is also a fantastic entertainment hub. You can take a break at Marmalade Cafe, catch a flick at the Multiplex movie theater, and then grab a sweet treat at the ice cream shop before heading out. 6. Score fresh flowers and vintage finds at the Calabasas Farmers Market. Every Saturday morning from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m., the heart of Old Town comes alive as the Calabasas Farmers Market takes over Calabasas Road, offering a vibrant community gathering where you can browse fresh, locally grown produce, farm-fresh eggs, artisanal breads, and the most beautiful flower bouquets you'll find anywhere. You can grab a cup of freshly brewed coffee, sample a warm pastry, and then wander the stalls, chatting with friendly farmers about their harvest and picking up unique handmade crafts from local artisans. Here is the perfect way to start your weekend. Arrive early to snag the best seasonal produce, then drive 10 minutes to the sprawling Agura Antique Mart, a 30,000 square foot treasure trove of vintage furniture, mid-century collectibles, and retro goodies you won't find anywhere else. 7. Catch a sunset show and famous margaritas at Sagebrush Cantina. Sagebrush Cantina is a true Calabasas institution, a legendary local hangout known for its massive outdoor patio, live music, and a frozen margarita so famous it has its own following. You can pull up a seat on the deck, heated in winter and shaded in summer, order sizzling fajitas or their signature chicken enchiladas, and watch the sun set behind the hills while a local cover band plays classic rock and country hits. According to travelers' experiences, the vibe here is pure, unpretentious California fun, and it is the perfect spot to unwind after a long day of hiking. This is that classic place where families celebrate birthdays, friends gather for a casual catch-up, and everyone leaves with a smile and memories from a warm, friendly night out. 8. Explore the serene King Gillette Ranch and walk among Hollywood history. Located on Mulholland Highway, across 588 acres of protected land, King Gillette Ranch is a stunning historic estate designed by architect Wallace Neff for the razor magnate in the 1920s, offering unspoiled views, hiking trails, and a fascinating glimpse of old Hollywood luxury. The ranch, now a public park, is one of the most beautiful spots in the Santa Monica Mountains, and its mansion and grounds have been featured in countless films and commercials because of their timeless beauty. You can hike from the parking area, through quiet oak woodlands and open meadows, keeping an eye out for red-tailed hawks soaring above, and then explore the grounds around the Spanish colonial revival mansion built for King Gillette of razor blade fame. 9. Dine on fresh, sustainable seafood at King's Fish House. For a true seafood feast, King's Fish House is the place to go, a relaxed yet upscale eatery that prides itself on serving sustainably sourced fish, oysters, and shellfish in a warm, nautical setting. The menu is a seafood lover's dream, featuring a raw bar with fresh oysters from both coasts, a rotating selection of grilled fish, and iconic dishes like the famous mesquite-broiled swordfish and stuffed shrimp. You can gather a group and start with a platter of oysters and calamari, then settle in for a long, happy meal as the attentive staff brings course after course to your table. 10. Explore the shores and hiking trails of Hidden Zuma and Topanga State Parks. While not right in the city limits, the magnificent coastlines and hidden stream canyons of nearby Topanga State Park and Zuma Beach are just a short drive away, offering a stunning variety of landscapes to explore. You can hike the 36 miles of trails in Topanga State Park, which sits entirely within the Santa Monica Mountains and features ocean views, live oak groves, and open grasslands, or drive 15 minutes farther to Zuma for a classic Malibu beach afternoon. You can see how beautiful the place is when you look back at the mountains from the sand at Zuma, the sun glinting off the waterline in the canyons of Topanga, a dark green silhouette against the brilliant blue sky.